Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern. In this pattern we print the even number from 2 to 30 and this pattern is a writing a triangle formed pattern, so we used to create this pattern nested for loop. Nested for loop is a loop in which outer for loop inside inner for loop, that is called a nested for loop, and outer for loop is used to move a row and inner for loop is used to move a column. So firstly we create two variables, that is I and j. I is used for outer for loop and j is used for inner for loop. And to create outer for loop we take three parameters in outer for loop. Firstly I initialize to 1, check condition I less than equals to 1 and I increment to 1 because number of rows equals to 5 in this pattern, so we move outer for loop from 1 to 5. And we secondly we create inner for loop, that is used j in this variable, that is used j variable in this inner for loop. J initialize to 1, check condition if j less than equals to I and j increment to 1 because inside the inner for loop we print the third variable, that is k, because outside the for loop k initialized to 2 because in first row we want to print a number 2, so we initialize k equals to 2 and inside the inner loop we print the k variable using printf function and k equals to k plus 2 because in all numbers plus 2 is incremented. And outside the inner for loop we use backslash n for cursor to the next line when complete each row. So I hope you understand that how to create this pattern, and this pattern is a very easiest and efficient pattern. So if you have any doubt you can ask me anytime or text me in the comment section. And I hope you all guys really enjoyed a lot in this pattern programming series for beginners from scratch. Thank you guys and help me. Thanks for watching.